Welcome. If you want to get these lightning edges on your UMIDIGI X, at the first you have to go for the Play Store, then tap on the search pool and type lightning edges. Then click on this application from the Sun Lightning. We have to get it. If you install this application, we can simply open. And as you can see here, I got two themes that I set up. Let's go right here. We can change for another one. For example, let's pick up this one. We have to set the name of this theme. Let's mute this ad and turn it off. Click here, and as you can see, it just has changed. Of course, here we are able to change colors. We can change the run style. We can also change the border styles. And here we get the animation about speed, border size, radius top and the bottom. Here we can set up also notch by moving these switchers, so you have to set it up. And if you want to set it as your currently edges, you have to click right here on it, then move here. And it's very important to select this switcher and enable overlay order up, because when you turn it off and you want to use it, it's not going to appear on the screen. So remember to after setting up the theme, you have to move here and then clicking on this icon, and after that you will get this cool lightning edges on your smartphone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya.